Welcome to my car and train channel. I have driven during 2 weeks this loaner car, which is a Mitsubishi Mirage, and to the rental car company I asked them the smallest car that they had available. And believe it or not, it was a pleasure to be in a small car and kind of being a minimalist and not with a lot of stuff and bells and whistles. So I really enjoy those 2 weeks with this car. It had just what was required and not much. So I'm going to share with you now everything, all the amenities and the qualities of the car. So let's go inside and see what it is about. Because it's a budget car, it's interesting to see what the solutions that have been retained. And you can understand that a lot of functions that you have nowadays, actually they are more expensive. So this car, for example, has still the key as we used to have 20 or 30 years ago. The handbrake, which is not electric. So don't be fooled when the dealers, they tell you that it's less expensive now because it's all electronic. On such a low budget car, actually they go back to the mechanical solutions. But still, this car has a lot of the things that you need. Electric windows, central lock, electric mirrors here, anti-ABS or non-ABS. Very simple dashboard, but it's functional. And then in the center, and we are going to see the information center. Believe it or not, nonetheless, I had to use the owner's manual just, for example, to find how to open the gas tank, and we are going to see. But other than that, most of the time, it was in the glove box, in the glove compartment. To open the gas tank lid, there is a manual hook. I've searched for it, could not find it. Of course, when you own the car, you are going to know where it is. It goes back to those older solutions that seems to cost less than the bells and whistles that we have nowadays. Even though it's a budget car, it has the key function like the phone, the cruise control, the lights, and they are automatic, even though it does not appear here on the command, and the front and rear wipers. The only thing which seems to be missing is that you don't have a temperature gauge. There is just a light green or a different color when there is a problem. And the central function, I must admit that I had hard time sometimes to get to the CarPlay and the navigation. So here, because I'm making the video, of course it's working. But it has been a little bit on and off to try to make it work. But nonetheless, you have the key functions, so you have your music, you have the Apple CarPlay because I have an Apple phone, so the smart navigation, a lot of different setups. Two cup holders, USB port, the automatic transmission, even the rear view camera, the climate control system, very simple as everything else. Let's look at the legroom. Perfect in the front for 2 adults. Decent in the back. This is the only issue I would say of this car. The trunk is very small, although you have the folding seats, but if you can live with that little space, then it's a car that you should consider and put on your list. And it does have the folding 1/3, 2/3. So it has everything which is functional on a car. And because it's a rental, I think that they are missing here the tray. Somebody must have taken off of the car. Before we go see the engine bay, I just want to say that for the light it's very easy. Sometimes I get confused when it's too complicated. And here I love it's a 3-position button, and this is it. Oh, let me at least, okay. So manual, automatic with the doors, and switch off. And the jack is under the driver's seat, but you cannot forget it because you see it each time. The engine bay, for those who are curious of what is below the hood. But nowadays in a car, most of the work that you do is just to refill the windshield washer tank. The hook, by the way, it's very easy to find. Again, unlike some other cars. So the car doesn't have a lot of kick, but when you drive in town, it's good enough. If I were to ask my wife's opinion, she is, however, a little bit scared to be in such a tiny car, just in case you get hit by a much bigger one or a truck. Well, it's time to return it to the rental company. I can tell you, if there was not this issue of size, and for my job I need a longer car where I can have some cargo space, but besides that, it's a wonderful car. So if you start in life or you don't have a lot of requirement on the cargo side, definitely something that you should consider. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. And also I have a lot of other test drive on my car and train channel, so do not hesitate to look at those other test drive. Thank you very much.